Looking for a place to feel relaxed, revived, and restored? Look no further than Restoration Ranch. Located in Matagorda County near El Campo, Texas, this property is 120 acres of beauty and relaxation. The lodge boasts a wall of windows in every room, allowing views of the lake and the landscaped grounds. The hospitable kitchen includes an oversized island, granite countertops, and state-of-the-art appliances. Your guests will be entertained in style in the game room and movies in the theater room. Energize yourself in the fully equipped exercise room with sauna. A secluded master suite comprises 1,800 square feet and includes a fireplace. Stocked with catfish, largemouth bass, and bluegill. Plenty of water fun on the expansive lake awaits children and grandchildren alike, with seadoos, paddleboards, and kayaks. Cozy accommodations await your guests in the 3 charming waterfront cabins. Another waterfront building currently used as an office can easily be converted into spacious living quarters. Equine facilities include a large concrete floored barn with tack room and shop area, as well as a covered round pen and lighted riding arena. Find your sanctuary on Restoration Ranch.